Hello, my name's Amelia, and today I'm doing a bit of foraging, and this is something that you wouldn't normally think is edible, which you might even cut down or worse, dig up or spray with weed killer. But we learnt at Footprint Friend Boot Camp on our foraging trip that this is actually a really beneficial source of goodness and nutrition. So today I'm going to be harvesting stinging nettles. Okay, here is our harvesting patch. We have mint, which may look a bit like stinging nettles, but it's not because it smells mint. But what we're after is this, our childhood enemy. The thing that always gives us a rash and really hurts your legs and you got to go search for a dock leaf. This is the thing we're looking for. It's got the spiky leaves that are covered in needles, which contain all the venom, which is actually what is healthy and beneficial to us. So I'm gonna get some. Nettle tray. Instead of getting out nettles, harvesting them and juicing them, which creates a lot of mess and a lot of hassle, we've decided to come up with an idea of making stinging nettle ice cubes. So every day you can just defrost one in a cup of water and have it as your daily nettle boost. Shot of stinging nettle juice for about 4 days now, because I think it's gonna eventually show an improvement on my skin and probably make me feel more awake, and it's meant to be really good for you. Whereas Ben here is a bit of a first timer, so we don't know what he's gonna think of it, but okay.
Cheers.